Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be opening our June Allure beauty box. So I have my box for the month of June and I'll be sharing with you guys what products came in the mail this month. So why don't we go ahead and get started. New to my Allure beauty box videos. I do these every single month here on my channel where I open them and show you guys kind of what came inside this month's box. So I do have the link down in my description box to sign up for Allure. What it is it is a monthly subscription service. It's $15 a month and you receive, normally it's like 4, I feel like 5 sometimes products. Some of them are sample sizes and some of them are deluxe sizes, and we do get full sizes in here as well. So it's one of the more affordable subscription boxes. So why don't we see what we got this month for June. So here is what the bag looks like. It's a very fun neon green this month. And then there's also an extra product in here floating around. So this is from CGX NYC, and this is the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So it says volume, refresh, and hold, dry shampoo meets hairspray. So that actually sounds pretty cool. So here's what that looks like. This one looks like it's more of like a deluxe size sample or like a travel size. I don't have a price on this one. It just has like a picture of it here on the back. You always get this little insert right here that kind of has info on the product, so it tells you more about the products and then also the prices on everything. So that is that, and then I'll show you guys the products and the inside here. So up first we have something from Floss. I'm not familiar with this brand, but this is the lip gloss, and the shade I have is Yule. So it looks like it actually like a neon tube as well, and it's my favorite lip gloss is what it's called. And I'll go ahead and swatch it. So it kind of looks like a tube lip gloss, but it actually has an applicator, which is cool. So it looks like it's going to be clear. So it's kind of one of those glosses you would just throw on your lips if you wanted something sheer or something over top of a lipstick. Here's what it looks like. See if it has a smell. It has a slight vanilla scent to it. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'll be interested to try this out. I like a clear gloss, and I actually like the fact that it does have an applicator. It's not just like the squeezy tube. That's not what I prefer when it comes to my lip glosses. I just feel like it makes them a little bit messy. So the price on this one is $16, and it is a full-size item. So next in here, this is from Al Thermal Avante, I think is how you say it right here. And this one says that it's a thermal spring water. It says soothing and softening. So let me read about this. So it says that this is a hydrating facial mist that will be in my purse now until Labor Day. So she's kind of talking. Inside of here, it has each one of the editors kind of pick their choices. So it says that this is going to be $18.50. So it's just going to be a spray that you can spritz on your face. And then next up, we have Moroccan oil. This is their hair treatment. I've actually tried this. I do really like it. So we have a little sample of this. It kind of looks like an essential oil like bottle here. And this one, the original one is $44, but obviously this is just like a deluxe sample of this, but I do really like this. It's very nice on your hair. I like putting it just on the ends of my hair just to kind of bring a little bit of life back to my ends because I deal with a lot of like really dry and split ends. Then we have 2 more products. So the next one we have is the Brow Gal, and this one is a pencil. I have mine in the shade medium brown, so this one is a full size, and I'll go ahead and swatch it so we can see what the medium brown looks like. So it is like a wooden pencil here. I don't always use those kind of pencils on my brows, but here is what the shade looks like. And then on the other side, we do have a spoolie on here as well. So the price on this one is $23. And again, you are getting the full size. It also has a little sharpener here for the pencil. And then the last thing in here, this one is from Context, and this is a vitamin C all day eye cream. And here is what that one looks like. And this looks like it is a full size. The full price on this one is $35. So I like the fact that we got a few different skincare products in here. We got the mist, so I would use this probably more as like a toner or just like a quick fix me up throughout the day. So we got the mist. We also got the eye cream, which is nice. And then we have a couple of hair products with the texturizing dry shampoo and then the Moroccan oil. And then we had a few makeup products as well with the pencil and then the lip gloss. So I do think that this definitely is worth the value of $15. You're getting quite a few products in there. I know I like when they do like these sizes, you know, like the more travel sizes than the like tiny little sizes, because it gives you more of a chance to definitely try things out a little bit more. Let me know down below if you've gotten your box yet for June and what you got inside of it. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.